Welcome to Invest. We'll talk about investing, finance, and professional development. So current time of 5:54 p.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum traded $3,083, now about 0.64% so far. Respect to over crypto market and the equity market, we are relatively just normalized at the moment, not really doing much. And I just want to do a quick video before I sign off for the day. So technically, this is my last meeting with you guys. And as you know, tomorrow is going to be a volatile day, right? We're going to get the jobless claim number. And also with respect to the Jerome Powell's speech. So the market today has been collectively trying to price in, the foreshadow tomorrow. Obviously, with respect to the hindrance that we got from the tech earnings, from Netflix, as you saw a huge dip, because of their subscription decline, and also with respect to a negative outlook from the management team. Also, there's like news around food shortage, supply chain, disruption. COVID seems like the cases are all increasing. Doesn't really convey a lot of confidence among investors, right? So collectively, the market has been trying to price in all the negativity so far. So with respect to the typical, sell the rumor, buy the news affectation, I have a gut feeling that that's what we're seeing right now. And the reason I'm saying this is being supported by the technical analysis as well is that the MACD line is crossing down, it's been gliding below the signal line. At the same time, we're relatively depleted on the technicals. At the same time, we are forming a downward wedge as well. So ultimately, if you look at this on a more of a wider spectrum as well, you could see that we clearly have broken away from the downtrend that we were performing for basically a month and a half. Not a month and a half, I would say for more than a couple months now. And right now we try to zigzag back up. So today, what we've been seeing collectively in the last couple of days on the sell-off so far is just basically the market trying to zigzag back up. So we're forming a new escalator, which is a good trend that we are performing going forward, right? It seems like everything on a technical run is checking out. So I actually feel quite confident that if tomorrow, let's just say, the needle moves on the negative side of the spectrum because of surprise factor, which typically will drive volatility into the market, coming on from the main actor, Jerome Powell. I think 2853 would be it. 2621 or anything below that will be a stretch, right? And at the same time, I don't think it's going to be a substantive drop if that was the case because of the fact that the MACD is already below. So the likelihood of actually going up to the next level 3158 to the next level 3350 is more logical from here. Okay, so that's just my gut view. In respect to Bitcoin, flat as well. Right now it's curving up, about to form a golden cross, at the same time 47 out of 70. So crossing up is more, has a high propensity to do so than going down from here. With respect to Ethereum, down about 2.6%. I would say similar in affectation, crossing down right now, at the same time 43 out of 70. So going up as the next level would make more sense than going down from here. With respect to Dogecoin is also doing the same comparable factor. We are below on the signal line at the same time with 51 out of 70. But this seems very funky with the head and shoulder pattern that we're seeing. So anywhere from basically 11 cents below will be where I would tolerate in terms of risk management. With respect to Cardano, I like anywhere from basically 85 to below, right? And Solana, anywhere from basically 85 to below from here, right? Again, knowing the fact that right now we are lingering on, but do we see a major sell-off down all the way to 66? I would say no. And I think right now, would I be buying at the moment? I think a good resistance level is 100, based on historical trends, but that's a consolidated level. The real level is at 85, but 100 is not terrible, right? And right now we're about to cross up because of the golden cross as well. So despite the market saying it's negative because the whole day has been negative, I don't actually believe that. I think the bottoms are near. Let's just put it that way. Respect to XRP, anywhere from 69 to 57 to DCA, polkadot's about 1.06%. Anywhere from basically, 17 all the way to below is logical. We're about to form a golden cross as well. So I think the bottom is pretty much in. Algorand's down about 2%. I like anywhere from current level all to the below from here. 74 downward from here. Shiba Inu down about 2% to 2100, 1400, 900 from here is still logical. Respect to MagTech, about 0.06%, 142 to 120, so we're fair game right now. With respect to AVAX, down about 2%, anywhere from 59 to 50 from here is still fair game to DCA. And then Luna, we're surging up right now because of the golden cross about to be forming. At the same time with the 52 out of 70, so we bounced harshly from the 36 out of 70. Makes sense, right? But where do we see the blockade from here? We are going to be seeing blockade as we hit 100. Obviously, it's a flat number. We are hitting some blockade right now because of 95. It's a flat number again, right? So any flat number is always a resistance level, right? And I think the max we could get to based on the current setup right now, we potentially can break all-time high all over again. But I think we will get some blockade around 110 and then kind of give up from there because of the relatively too fast, too quick type of green candle. It doesn't convey a lot of confidence, right? So my gut feel tomorrow, again, this is my speculations because of the negative pressure we've been having so far, and also with respect to the technical pattern that's all holding together, and also the typical sell the rumor, buy the news affectation. Contingent on Jerome doesn't say anything crazy, and the jobless claim number come out doesn't, make a huge dent onto the market sentiment, we should be conveying a relatively good pressure tomorrow. So that's my gut feel. Ultimately, it's a gut feel, right? I don't have the data in front of me, but based on the technicals, I think we have a high propensity to go up than go down tomorrow. All right, appreciate you. Take care. Bye.